So I did my hair, you know. Hopefully you've seen this video already. Now I'm going to do some makeup. I have not did any makeup. I got some new bases. This is the P. Louise Rumor 4. So I have 0 to 7 now. So I'm going to go in with Rumor 4 just right up in here. I'm not going to do all over the lid because I'm going to cut the crease anyway. So I'm going to do that. I actually mixed the P. Louise and the Tarte Shape Tape together. I like the two of them combined. So I'll be using the Jamrock palette. And then I'll also be using the matte book as well. So yeah, back and forth with colors. I'm not too sure what I want to do, but these two palettes I pulled out. So I'm going to be going in with Flavor from the Jamrock palette. So I go in from my darkest to my lightest. So this is my depth color. So this color you add depth. So I want to make sure that my depth color is prominent. So I start with that first. So you're going to make sure that you pack it on. This is a 167 brush by Morphe. You can use an M433, 31, a MAC 224 if you want, depending on your eye space, or a MAC 217, or if you have really small lids, 221. So you want to get those brushes. They're really good for blending out depending on your eye shape. So I always make sure that I go in and I pack that color. Now I'm going to blend this out. This is my transition. So I went from depth to transition. This is a lighter blue. It always is in the same color scheme. Say I use a black, I'm going to use a light brown to blend it out, or something that has a more rich tone, which is like a reddy brown. You want a color that matches. Well, not matches, but can go with your depth color. Then now I'm going in with that blue color because I'm going to lose it because I'm blending all over it. Now I'm going to go in with my brow bone. You always want to set your brow bone. You don't want everything to be matte and then your brow bone is shining. You don't want that. So this is my fourth color. So this color basically blended out my transition color. So I really don't count my brown bone color as an actual color because it looks like my concealer anyway. So I used 4 colors in all, but 3 of them is the dark blue, the medium blue, and now this light blue. So you're going to blend. You're going to do a bunch of blending. You're going to go back and forth with the crease color, with the depth color, with that light blue color, just to fade everything into the brow bone color. You're going to blend till your hand falls off. Okay, so I know I wasn't talking in the beginning, but you girls here. You know, I'm going to come in, I'm going to come out. Voiceover and this. Okay, so I got my hand on the P. Louise bases. No, this is a paint, excuse me. A P. Louise paint. P. Louise paint. Why can I not speak? And if you hear noise, they are mowing the green way around my house. I have a lot of greenery, a lot of grass. So they're mowing the lawn. So hopefully you can hear all of that. Okay, so I got Ibiza and a few others. I think I have all of the paints that they have. Yeah, I think so, because I have 7. I think they have 7 paints. But I'm going to be using Ibiza. Ibiza is so pretty. It's a pretty lavender. And I'm going to use Ibiza on my crease. I'm not sure if I want to use Ibiza in the front and then go in with another color. I think I'd probably do that. I think I'll probably go in with Ibiza and then fade that into the blank canvas. Why can I not speak today? I can't speak today. But yeah, I'm going to go with Ibiza and I think blank canvas. So Ibiza looks beautiful. I love Ibiza, but it actually mixed in with the blank canvas, which I kind of knew, but I still wanted to do it anyway. So see, I'm putting on the blank canvas, but it still looks like Ibiza, which is fine. It's fine. And you're going to basically blend that in. The paints are really tricky. You want to make sure that your lid is opaque and it's blended out. I blended out with the clean, fluffy brush off camera just to make sure everything would lay down perfectly. Clean up any mess. We're going to go in and we're going to start to put that color on the lid. Now, I thought that this color would match perfectly with Ibiza, but it didn't, but it was okay because it basically looks just like it, just a little darker. You don't always have to set your base, well, your paint, excuse me. The P. base, I keep saying base paint. This is a paint. So the P. paint, you don't have to set it, but you can leave it alone for a while and it'll just dry on its own. But that takes a while. So most people will just use an eyeshadow on top of it. Now I'm going in with this blue. This is the blue from the crayon case. And I believe that this was my second color right after the dark blue. So the colors that I used on the lid is some of the colors that I use in the crease, but not really. But just, you know, as long as you're using colors that go with each other. This is the hardest part, picking your color. Picking your colors. This on the crayon case. Picking your colors is so hard. So purple, green, blue will always work. Red, orange, yellow, those will work as well. I would say the hardest part is picking your colors to go together. Now on to another intricate part. I added a white line off camera. This is a brush from Michaels. It's a paint brush. Usually most makeup artists nowadays or makeup enthusiasts, they use paint brushes to execute looks, and yeah, I'm with that wave too. So with that, I'm just going to use that liner. I put it on the back of my hand and I got some on top of my brush, and I made sure that that line was really small. That brush, the bristles are really small and fine. So I have a hard time using the brush that the eyeliner actually comes with, so I just use it on the brush and it's easier for me. I guess, I don't know, for some reason it won't work. I'm using the same liner. This is just in black, the Epic liners from NYX, and I'm just going to do my wing, and then I'm going to add some glitter. I'm going to use NYX glitter glue. I use Kiki Adams glitter off of Instagram. It's _ Kiki Adams. And yes, I used a lavender and a dark blue. So here we go. And I also set my liner. I used the black shadow from the Planet Makeup by Yolando Jamrock palette, and I just set my liner with it because I find like sometimes you need to set it. It won't set on itself fast enough. So I'm going to be going in with my face stuff now. So this is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner, and it has roses in it. I'm going to go in with my serum. This is from Ole Henriksen, the Truth Serum. And then on top of the serum, I'm going to go in with this Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. And I don't know what primers that I will use because I didn't even grab them. But let me start with these first. If you know me, you know I love some skincare. All of these new Adams. Oh my God, the Fresh line is really good. And I love Ole Henriksen anyway because I have the brightening eye serum. But yes, I think I'm going to film a skincare routine because y'all been asking for it. You know, good skin under the makeup is essential. Okay, so I did my face off camera, you know, regular old foundation. Basically, baked under my eyes with some banana powder. No, I baked under my eyes with the C powder from the crayon case, the chalk dust. I'm just knocking off some of the powder and I'm going to set my face. I did contour as well, and I will show you what I contoured with. So to contour my face, I use this bronzer from Morphe. It's in the color Phenom. I just contoured all over. It is such a pretty contour. So pretty. I feel like I'm short. Okay. Such a pretty contour. I'm going to take the same brush that I contoured with, and I'm going to take my NC50 Studio Fix powder from MAC. I baked a little too long. I actually ran outside. I had to go to the store. So I baked too long, so under my eyes are super duper bright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this NC50 Studio Fix powder from MAC, and I'm going to just go over my under eye just to help that out because Lord knows it's too bright. too bright. And I contoured down the bridge of my nose with that same Morphe powder. I don't want to keep showing you guys the same thing over and over. Blend this out, and I'm going to re-contour with the same brush. So, and I have my mask on, so I'm trying to take out the line of demarcation on my face from the mask. Because, Lord knows. So I'm just going all over with this powder. It's really affected me on this side. I don't know if you can tell. But on this side, it's like, girl. So this is Phenom. So I'm going to take that. This is a Peaches and Cream. I love their brushes and their products. Peaches and Cream. So this is PC16. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to contour. I'm going to take this Makeup Shack T47. T45, girl. T45. And I'm going to contour down the bridge of my nose. Because wearing the mask took off my contour. I am not going to be wearing makeup at all because you'll do your whole face or you'll pay somebody to do your face and then you got to put a mask on. It defeats the whole purpose. So that is that. I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of this Laura Mercier powder in translucent medium deep. This is what I use to set all over. And I used the Lancome Tint Idole foundation. This is in the color 470 Suede C. And I used Tarte Shape Tape Tan Sand Deep under my eyes. And I contoured with F18 Makeup Revolution foundation stick. You know, the regular routine, nothing crazy. And I used Deep as well. So Deep and Tan Sand from Tarte Shape Tape. So I used the Deep in between my contour and highlight areas. And then I used the Makeup Revolution to contour, like I said. This hair is too cute. So we have that. I'm going to put all of this stuff away because I'm going to start to highlight and contour and set my face and do my lips. So I'll be right back and put all this stuff away. Okay, so I decided to use these two colors on the bottom. I'm going to use Rebel. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Costume as well. So I have the more mattifying and the continuous mist. This makes me too oily. This is matte, so I'm gonna spray one, do my highlight, and then spray the other, and hopefully I like what what it looking like. But I'm gonna be highlighting with the Makeup Revolution highlighter I got a few months back. This is cute. I just go through all of them. They all cute. They just go through all of them. And my daughter's home, no school. So if you hear anything in the background, that's her. But yeah, I'm gonna spray with this first in Thailand, so basically we're gonna do that. We're gonna move the hair out the way. I didn't put any makeup on my forehead because you won't be seeing it anyway. Okay. So we have that, and I'm gonna highlight. So I'm gonna just mix all of them. Pat it in. Pat it in and then I blend. I told my daughter to move back, girl, because this spray right here be like... So I'm going to move on to my lips. I don't know what kind of a lipstick I'm going to do. My curl fell. I'm going to put my curling iron back on. And I'm going to fix that curl, but I don't know what lip I'm going to do, so I'm going to think about that and I'll be right back. So this is Crayon Case Coffee Lip Liner from the Crayon Case. I think, yeah, Coffee Lip Liner. Yeah, that's what I use because that's the really, 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 really dark one. Then I'm going to go in with NYX Downtown Beauty Lip Liner, Lip Lingerie from NYX. I believe that's what it's called. Then I'm going to go in with Holly Grove liquid lipstick, also from the Crayon Case, and I'm going to basically rub that in. I did not like these lip liners, I didn't like these liquid lipsticks at first, but they're nice. I learned how to work with it. Then I'm going to reline with Downtown Beauty because I feel like Coffee is just really, really, really dark. Watch some TV because I love me some TV. Then I'm going to add some more on. On top of that, I'm going to use King Me by Sedasia Cosmetics. There we go. And this is more of a neutral color. So I added my lashes off camera. Nothing crazy, but I'm about to add my bottom lashes because I've been loving the way bottom lashes look. I got some questions on how I do my bottom lashes. I'm obsessed with bottom lashes. Let me stop joking. So yes, I just put glue on them, make sure that the glue is tacky, and then I just put mascara on to hide where I'm putting the little lash. About to say liquid lipstick. And just push it in and make sure you lift it up off your face because you'll feel like something is scratching you. But yeah, that's pretty easy to do. But I want to show you guys in the video. My makeup is done, so I'm gonna take my wraps off. So the look is completed. This is so cute. Oh my god, I miss my makeup. I didn't do makeup in so long. Look at my hair. This is the look completed. This is so cute. So cute. I'm happy. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. You know, my little tutorial, no, my videos are not always beginner friendly, but grab your makeup, sit down, watch the video, and just go along with it. Press play, see what I do, pause it, do it, press play. You know what I mean? Like, we have nothing but time, especially if you want to get into these intricate looks. It's the time. Like, it's the time is now. Yes, all my looks are not, like I said, easy to do, but they're doable. Like, I've learned from other people, like Taylor Made Jane, B. Marie, you know what I mean? Like, Beats by Deb. You have to watch, learn, execute. I like to watch and then execute. Get the gist of the color scheme you want to do, watch it over, and just execute. You know, I always start in my crease. So get your color, start in your crease. You know, I like to blend that out. Get you your second color to blend it out. You know, like, get into it. Stop limiting. Like, we're not gonna, like 2020, we're not limiting. As much as we're in a pandemic and things are crazy, we have time to sit down and get into these looks. Move out of our comfort zone. Yes, I'm going to start to do some videos that are more friendly and more beginner friendly. But I feel like let's just start. Let's start and let's just go. Everybody wants to see different things when it comes to beginner friendly, natural looks. Everybody's definition of natural is different. So, you know, I always like you to tell me specifically what you want me to do. Not what you want to see and what you want me to do. So I like these kind of looks. I feel like they're very doable. Just like I said, watch, pause, blend. Watch, pause, blend. You know, my videos, I try to keep everything in it to where you can follow me step by step. Even if you don't want to do a colored look, you can still definitely get it done. But I hope you guys enjoy my video, and until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.